today we're going to be taking a look at the Pool Blaster by Aqua Broom. I'm going to go ahead and unbox this thing and test it out. Yeah, so that's everything that came in the packaging. The quality of the product seems pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and assemble it right now. Alright, I was reading some reviews on Amazon and people were saying you have to purchase these D batteries separately, so that's what I did. I purchased this 10-pack of Duracell D batteries. The assembly was pretty straightforward. I did notice that the Aqua Broom did not come with a long rod, so I will have to purchase that separate, which is, I guess, no big deal. I just wish I would have known. I would have purchased one when I purchased it. And then to turn this thing on, you just got to turn that to on, and it'll start sucking. Alright, so today I'm going to be testing out the Aqua Broom on this pond that I made for our ducks. For anyone that has ducks, they know that it doesn't take them too long to get their pond messy. But this is a 270-gallon pond and we only have 2 ducks, so it actually stays pretty clean for a pretty fair bit of time. I know that this Aqua Broom isn't designed for duck ponds, it's designed for hot tubs and small pools. I thought this might be an effective tool to kind of keep the pond clean and prevent me from having to drain it as often. So if this Aqua Broom works well on this duck pond, I'm confident that it'll also work well for hot tubs and pools and stuff like that. So yeah, you can see we got mud and stuff in this corner. We got it in that corner as well as in the drain. I'm not too sure how it's going to handle these rocks. We'll have to wait and see. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and test it out now. Yeah, that's not very much. Alright, so it's working okay. It's not working perfect. I went and took a look in the instructions. I forgot to put this little filter bag on. So I'm going to put that on now and see if that helps any. Let's see if that works any better. Oh, that's working so much better. Alright, so as you can see, the Aqua Broom did a pretty decent job cleaning up this pool. My first round using the vacuum, I was not that impressed with it. I was actually ready to throw in the towel, and then I realized I forgot to install this little cloth liner. And this liner helps keep the bigger materials in the bag. And once I installed that, it actually started working much better. So if you do order one of these, don't forget to install this little liner here. And it worked pretty well. It didn't work perfect, vacuuming all the dirt up, but this pond has like an edge here, and it's not perfectly flat, and the vacuum struggled picking up the dirt in this little lip here. It did well on the whole flat part here. It just struggled here and there a little bit. So I don't think I'd recommend this vacuum for somebody trying to clean their duck pond, but I would, however, recommend it to somebody that's trying to clean their jacuzzi, hot tub, small pool. And that's actually what this is designed for. I just wanted to give it a try and see how it would work on this duck pond. So I think my search for a decent pond vacuum is still going to continue, but I am, however, going to keep the Aqua Broom because I do plan on getting a hot tub in the future. I'll have a link to this Amazon listing in the description of this video. If you guys are interested in these kind of videos, be sure to subscribe. We did just finish up this duck house, and we did a whole build video from start to finish, so if you guys want to check that out, that would be cool too. Anyways, thanks for watching. All right, let's get these ducks in here for a swim. I can't think of the brand name offhand, but I'll be sure to leave a link in the description to these exact lights. Ooh.